Hi everyone. Today I will talk about this beautiful white flower. Many people don't know the correct name of this beautiful flower. This flower has several names. The English names of this flower are winter jasmine, Indian jasmine, downy jasmine, and star jasmine. This flower blooms most in winter, spring, and summer. In our country, this flower is usually seen in two types. One is fragrant, the other is odorless. These white flowers are odorless. The flower shown in the picture is fragrant. This is another variety of this flower which has a pink edge to the petals. It's a creeping evergreen shrub. This plant is propagated by cuttings. Seedlings also grow from roots. But the easiest way to propagate this plant is by cuttings. You can easily grow this plant in containers. This flower is widely cultivated in tropical regions. Clusters of white flowers bloom on small branches that spread around. The leaves and young branches of this plant are hairy. It is a plant of Oleaceae family. Jasminum is a large genus of about 200 flowers in the Oleaceae family. There are many fragrant flowers in this genus, but this white flower is odorless. This flower is found in Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam countries. This flowering plant is planted in gardens and parks for beautification. This plant bears flowers and fruits from December to July. From February to March, the entire plant is full of flowers. You can plant this flowering plant to enhance the beauty of your garden. If you don't have enough space to plant the plant, you can also grow this plant in containers or plastic bottles. You can keep this plant on your roof or balcony. It's a very hardy plant. The plant will not die without water for a day or two. Sometimes you can give homemade liquid fertilizer. You can give rice washing water, banana peel soaked water as liquid fertilizer.